Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Happy Friday. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm gonna be making a pork loin, and I'm taking the advice of one of the hashtag cutting up crew, Susan Leek. So Susan, thank you for the tip. I'm gonna try it your way. I'm gonna add just a little bit of my zhuzh to it, but I'm gonna try it your way. I have a pork loin, and it is 1.72 pounds. Okay, I got that from the food line. I've got some applesauce. I've got some brown sugar, and I've got some chili powder. And that's what I'm gonna use to roll this pork loin in. So I'm gonna put some brown sugar on this plate. I'm gonna keep that in there in case I need more. And I'm gonna use just a little bit of chili powder just to give it a little bit of zip. And I'm gonna just sprinkle that on. Eyeballing that. Probably about a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon, according to how you like things. And I'm gonna open up this pork loin. And let me get over the sink here. Hold on just a minute. This is part of the keeping it real of this vlog. This vlog, it's in real time, and we're really gonna eat this for supper. All right, I'm gonna take that off. And I don't think I'm gonna need any olive oil because this has got plenty of juice on the outside edges. So I'm gonna take this, press it down into the meat, and then I'm gonna turn it over. I'm trying not to make a mess, but hey, cooking is messy, it is. And I'm gonna just make sure that that brown sugar and that chili powder stays on this meat. Let's see how it looks on this side. Press it down in there. And I'm gonna transfer it and make sure I got it covered good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it to a sheet pan that I have lined with the Reynolds Wrap cooking tinfoil. And I'm gonna pull this closer to me and hang on to that applesauce as I do that, because I'm gonna top this with applesauce before I bake it. And I'm gonna bake mine uncovered on 425 for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna cut the temperature back to 375, and I'm gonna cook it for another 15 or so minutes. And I'm gonna watch it for doneness. I'm gonna use my meat thermometer so I don't overcook it. If you don't have a meat thermometer, I definitely strongly suggest you get one. They're awesome, and they take the guesswork out. So I'm gonna have that out. I'm gonna use, we have these, my baby boy loves these. My baby boy is 24, but he loves these. And I have just a few of those in the pantry. I'm just gonna squirt those on. I don't think it'll take but one for this little tenderloin, not tenderloin, loin, pork loin. And that is how I'm gonna do it, and that's how it's going in my oven, again on 425 for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut the time back to 375, bake 375 for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna use my meat thermometer, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle and not quite all the way through. And that way I can see when this meat gets done. And it's, the thermometer tells you medium beef or pork to 160 degrees. I like mine a little bit less than that, so I'll take it out at 155-ish. So it's not too done. Pork loin. That's what we're having tonight. Enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a try. I'll post pictures. See ya.